Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to scan documents on your Android phone. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android phone. Next, tap the camera or scan option, depending on your version of the app. Place the document you want to scan on a flat, well-lit surface. Point your phone's camera at the document and make sure the entire page fits inside the frame. Tap the capture button to take a picture of the document. Google Drive will automatically detect the edges of the page and adjust the image to make it look more like a scanned document. Review the scan and make sure all the text is clear and readable. If you need to scan additional pages, tap Add Page or the plus button and capture the next page. You can also crop, rotate, or adjust the scan before saving it. Once you're finished, tap Done or Save. Choose a file name and select the Google Drive folder where you want to save the scanned document. Your document will be saved as a PDF, making it easy to store, share, or send through email and messaging apps. For better results, make sure the document is flat, the lighting is bright, and there are no shadows covering the text. That's all! You've successfully scanned a document using your Android phone. Happy watching!